Good day, citizens of Jamaica. My name is SSP, and I am here to talk to you regarding the container of chicken we wash up over Helsha just the other day. This chicken should not be consumed by people because nobody knows if the chicken is in good condition or what is inside of the chicken. But based on my reports, we have come to realize that a lot of you have been fricasseing the chicken, frying the chicken, barbecuing, grilling, brown stewing, and such delight. Hence, me and my squaddies shall be at every public hospital and clinic to see if any of you going to turn up with any chicken-related illnesses, including but not limited to bird flu, chikungunya, chicken pox, salmonella, and such delight. I cannot understand how some of you young boy said that you would have never name certain things, but you name container chicken will float up out of nowhere. I don't trust some of you when COVID did a float around. You would have never take the COVID vaccine, but you name chicken will just float up on the scene. Something right with all of you. You too crave and licky, but I going to serve you a sauce. Because if any of you turn up to the people them good public hospital with bird and chicken related illnesses, you shall be going to prison. And because Easter is coming up, you shall not be released before Easter, or probably before Jesus Christ himself shall return. If you get sick, please to turn on a yard with it and don't carry it around to the public. We don't want Jamaica to be the new China of the world. Keep it to yourself. You have a wonderful evening and tap the container chicken.